Before we had the picoSpin, we had to rely on very simple analytical techniques such as melting point, which are not very realistic in the modern chemical environment. We noticed that students just don't relate to a canned spectra. They think it's just another page out of their textbook. If they have an NMR that they can actually put their hands on and actually acquire their own spectra, that means a lot more to them, and so they engage with the science a lot more. I didn't really think it was possible for us to get an NMR, and when they deadpanned it and said, "Yeah, we're really seriously thinking this," they showed me the figures, the cost of the picoSpin, and I flipped out. I thought, this can't possibly be true. So it was sort of my early Christmas present. My first impression of the size of the instrument was shock and awe, really. It's smaller than a bread box, so the size is fantastic. If you compare this instrument to some of our alternatives, the cryogenic alternatives, it was absolutely fractions of the price. Amazingly low. It was pretty nice. For organic chemistry, we've designed a few laboratories specifically around the use of this instrument. And in general chemistry, we're using it as a demonstration instrument for quantum mechanics. They actually have a much better opportunity to learn the science than I did. I really wish I had a picoSpin when I was an undergraduate. Looking at the other instruments that are available currently, I don't think you really have a huge choice ahead of you. picoSpin is the right price point, and it is absolutely what works best in the undergraduate environment, at least in my opinion.